Welcome to the Rich TV show right here exclusively on Stockhouse. I'm your host, Richard Sousa, and we're going to talk about the hottest stocks and news of the week. World Cup is happening. We just had our last game here in Vancouver. There's no more games left in Canada. It's been a wonderful World Cup, and a lot of the heavyweights and favorites are in the finals. Now, this is sell in May, go away. We're now in July, right in the middle of the summer. And this is when a lot of people are on vacation. A lot of people are kind of not even looking at the markets. But this is also a great time for investors to position themselves for the future. So let's take a look at some stocks that we got our eyes on. First of all, USDE. This is a new stablecoin stock. Stablecoins are cryptos that are kind of like US dollars, but they're coins and cryptos. This is a stock that is based on a stable coin. It's USDE. It's been doing well. Put them on your radar and put them on your watch list. SDEV, another stable coin stock that you should be watching. With crypto right now kind of down, this is a great time to start positioning yourself in crypto-related stocks, in my opinion, as we're in a bear market. With the bull market starts next year, so this is a great time to position yourself, because I believe if you buy them now, you're going to see a huge return on your investment over the next 12 to 36 months as we go from the bear market to bull market. MRNA. If we have a pandemic again, MRNA is going to be one of the biggest positional stocks to be holding. So I think MRNA is one to watch. There could be a pandemic around the corner. You never know. You hear about different things happening in Africa and different places. So keep your eye on MRNA. It's kind of low right now. It's starting to rally. But if we have a pandemic again, I think it's going to explode. MSTR, MicroStrategy, is the largest holder of Bitcoin. That's a public company that's not BlackRock in the world, is down. I think it's a great long-term buy, because I believe Bitcoin goes huge next year. So I think MicroStrategy is a buy at these levels or lower. Put it on your radar and on your watches. And if you want to buy the MicroStrategies 2 times ETFs, MSTU and MSTX, great way to play MicroStrategies for the long term. HODL, HODL, bouncing, another crypto-related stock. Rivian, electric vehicle stock that's been beat up, starting to bounce a little bit. Keep them on your radar and keep them on your watch list. ASST, another one of those companies that's accumulating crypto. They're starting to bounce. When Bitcoin and cryptos explode, you want to position yourselves, but you want to get in before they explode. ASST is another one of those companies that's holding a lot of Bitcoin. All right, gold starting to bounce back. NUGT is a great way to play gold. If you want to play gold with an ETF, I really like NUGT. Speaking of gold, ELD, another gold stock. Keep your eyes on ELD. They're starting to bounce as well. Now, I like XRP. It's one of the cryptos that I physically own. If you want to buy a stock that is going to be showing you what crypto and XRP is doing and goes up and down with the price of XRP, XXRP is one to watch. They're starting to bounce. I think there's a long way for them to go up. Great way to play XRP if you want to own a stock, XXRP. Now, we've been talking about stable coins. One of the biggest stable coins out there that's a stock is Circle, CRCL. I believe that they've got a great opportunity here. Like I said, over the next 12 to 36 months, to position yourself now for the big bounce. They're starting to bounce already, with Bitcoin bouncing back over 60,000. But I still think Bitcoin's got a long ways to go for the rest of this year. But we may have bottomed out here, and we may go a little bit lower, but I still think over the next 12 to 36 months, we go way higher. We like Circle, CRCL. Now, I love the Magnificent Seven. I think Meta just had a little bit of a dip. Tesla had a little bit of a dip. They're starting to bounce now. I really like Meta and Tesla. Buy them on dips. CWD. This is a real estate tokenization stock. So the whole world's going to be tokenized, in my opinion. Everything's going to be on the blockchain. Everything's going to go digital. So this is a way to own a stock that's taking advantage of real estate that's going to be tokenized on the blockchain. CWD, I think it's the time to buy. I think the upside is tremendous. Put them on your radar and on your watch list. Stocks and crypto, we love them both. Robinhood is a place to buy both. They're also offering IPOs now. We really like Robinhood. Buy them on the dips. Try to get them under $100. Another stock that is crypto related that is buying Bitcoin is IBIT. This is the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. We believe they're bottoming. Position yourself. They've been cut in more than half from their highs. I think this is a great time to position yourself in IBIT, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, as Bitcoin is been cut in half from its highs. I believe it goes to those highs and then doubles from there. So great time to position yourself, in my opinion, in IBIT, as the upside long-term is tremendous in the next 12 to 36 months. And AMD has been absolutely on fire. One of the hottest stocks over the last 6 months. Put AMD on your radar if you want to ride momentum, chips, and AI for AMD. And they're one of the biggest players behind NVIDIA in both sectors. Thank you for watching the RichTV show. If you like these videos, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe for future updates. Go and join us at our website at RichTV.io, where you can learn how to buy stocks and crypto and trade and win. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We're bringing the winners, CEO interviews, breaking news, trending topics in the world of finance, and we bring it to you first. And we do that every week right here exclusively on Stockhouse. See you next week.